Hello everyone, I'm doing my string pull again, so I'm going to put the background white. Don't want too much, just to cover the base. So, it's really fun, I love this string pull method, to be honest. It's easy and very simple. Yeah, look beautiful though. So yeah, so using as white base, and I have got pink and purple, which flower I'm going to make the paint. It's for a friend I'm doing. Okay, so here we go. So first I go for my purple. Go. Done. Then use my here. Then let's go pink. And let me just finish the purple on the top, and then I'll go for all pinks. So probably the last one this one is. Start from this side. Okay. Take that bit out. And put some whites there. So I don't want to get color to get paint to get mixed the different colors. Right, the next one is pink. Yeah. Then other side. Here we go. So here it is, looks pretty cool. I will cover this bit with my white so it doesn't look too bad. And this is how it turned out. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.